is ready, and before we start I would like to tell you all that since it is an interactive project, so I will recommend that please put a plastic sheet before putting these velcro dots, because we will be demonstrating the properties of the material, and then while using the water our project should not get dirty. So I will recommend using a plastic sheet. Right now I was not having it. Once I put it, I will upgrade it on my Facebook group. You all can see it over there. Now let's dive into the project. So the name of a project is Materials and Their Properties. So what is a material? Material is what an object is made of. And over here we are going to look at 8 different types of materials. So starting with the first material, that is the metal. Now this I have taken from a decorative piece. It was like this. I have removed it from there. So you all can use the lids like this. For the metal, you all can use the coins, or you all can use the lids of the medicine bottles too. So we get the metal from underground rocks. Over here I have written metal plus rock is called ore, and it is extracted from this ore. So metal is shiny, it is hard, it is strong, and it can be molded into different shapes. So this is the metal, and some metals do have a magnetic property. Like if we keep all the materials together like this, and if you all have a magnet, you all can demonstrate this, that when you move the magnet around these materials, so the metal will be stuck to the magnet. So it has a magnetic property. So here is our metal. So I have given over here 5 examples, like the metal bucket, the toolbox, the key, the knife, and the coins. Coming to the next material, that is the plastic. Now this was the lid of the clay bottle, and here I will say that use something which is little shallow, so we can demonstrate the waterproof property. So plastic is made from crude oil. It is light, it is strong, durable, waterproof, and it comes in many colors. So over here when you put in some drops of water, so plastic is not going to absorb it. It is waterproof. If you tell a child to put his hand below, so his hand is not going to get wet, telling that it is waterproof. So this was about plastic. Now there are 5 examples of plastics, like the toys, the plastic chair, a plastic can, a plastic bottle, and a plastic bowl. So coming to the next material, that is wood. Now for the wood, I have used these candy sticks. I have cut them, pasted them on the cardboard, and then used it. So wood is made from trees. It is brown, it is hard, strong, heavy, and durable. So this was wood, and here also there are 5 examples, like ladder, door, cupboard, pencil, and a table. So the next material is paper. Now since I have not put a plastic sheet around this project, I have taken this paper, but I will recommend you all take either a tissue paper or a newspaper, because we'll be showing the property of absorbency on this. So paper is made from wood. It is smooth, weak, light, it is light in weight, flexible, and absorbent. Now while showing the absorbent property, tell the kid to put the drop of water on the below part. So when we put a drop of water like this, it is going to absorb. So this is the absorbing property of the paper. And when you put a velcro dot over here, so you can just tear this paper off and put another tissue paper on top of this, so that your velcro dot is also saved and you can use this again. So this was about the paper. Now also there I have taken 5 examples of paper, like the books, the newspaper, the paper plate, tissue box, and the paper bag. Now coming to the next material, that is the glass. Now this was a mirror. I have scraped out the back part, and so you all can see these markings over here. I have scraped it with the cutter. You all can also use these if you all have some broken glasses, so yes, you all can use this, or you all can use the glasses from the watches for the glass material. So glass, it is made from sand, it is smooth, it is hard, it is transparent. As you all can see, we can read what is written below it. So that is see-through material or a transparent material, and it is brittle. So here also there are 5 examples, like a glass jug, a magnifying glass, drinking glass, this is the aquarium, and the glass in the window. Then coming to the next material, that is the fabric. Now this is the fabric. It comes from plants, animals, you all can also write, and also it is made in the factories. So plants and animals like sheep gives us wool. This is a silkworm which gives us silk, and the cotton. Now fabric is light, it is soft, it is flexible, and this is also absorbent, and it comes in many colors. So this is the same material, same fabric I have taken, and you all can put in a drop and show that this is absorbent. So now coming to the examples, a woolen cap I have taken here, a towel, then the trouser, a dress, and a cloth bag. Then the next material is the rock. Take a rock which is little flat and not that heavy, so that it stays on the project. So the rocks come from the ground. It is hard, rough, strong, heavy. So the examples are this mortar and pestle made up of rock, then the bricks, then stone house, a bridge, statues are made up of rocks, and this castle. Then the last material is rubber. Now for the rubber, I have just cut this from the gloves. So rubber is made from trees. It is soft, it is strong, it is flexible, durable, waterproof, and elastic. That is, it is stretchy. After being stretched, it comes back to its normal shape. And for showing the waterproof property, a child just has to wear it in his or her finger and then put it in the bowl of water. So once you remove it, your finger won't be wet, thus displaying the waterproof property of the rubber. So we get the rubber from the trees, and the examples of rubber is used in tires, making gloves, then in the balloons, eraser, and the gum boots. So this was all about the materials and their properties. Do let me know in the comment box about the video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, do share the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos. Till then, this is Amrapali signing out. Happy learning materials and happy growing up with your loved ones.